Record man, play my song on the radio. You too busy trying to find that blue I saw. I let my black hair grow and my weed smoke, and I sweat too much on the regular. We gon' let them hits fly, we gon' let it go. If it ain't next, so then it gotta go. I just won a new award for a kid show. Talking about a face coming off a bag of blow. I'm like, goddamn bitch, I am not a teen choice. Goddamn bitch, I am not a bleach boy. Whip thing, make a nigga understand though. Got that Hannibal, silence of the Lambo. Hit the gas so hard, make it rotate. All my niggas blew up like a propane. All these R&B niggas be so lame. Got a sweet Asian chick, she gon' know me. You know me, know me. You know me, know me, you know me, know me, know me. Every time you try to forget who I am, I'll be right there to remind you again. You know me, know me, bah, bah. You know me, know me. Why don't you shake some for the dawn? Don't you
Happy birthday, Angel. Wish ko sa'yo ay mas-enjoy mo yung college and welcome to adulthood.
shake some for the dawn? Don't you break down, baby girl. Won't you work some for the dawn? Don't you hurt none. Cause you know me, that you know me. You know me, that you know me.
Happy birthday, Ate Angel. Ang wish ko lang naman sa'yo is sana makamit mo yung mga pangarap mo and hindi ka magbago. Tandaan mo lang na nandito kami ng pamilya natin para sa'yo.
Happy birthday, anak. Ngayon, 18 years old ka na, nasa legal age na. Wag mo lang kalilimutan na nandito kami lagi ng mommy at daddy at ng mga kapatid mo, lalo-lalo na sa mga panahon na kailangan mo ng guide at saka ng mga advices. Pagbutihin mo lang pag-aaral mo and one day alam ko magiging isa kang successful na dentist at saka sana pagpatuloy mo lang ang pagiging mabait at masunurin mo sa amin. I love you, anak.
I'ma take you there, I'ma take you there. So don't be scared, I'm right here, baby. We can go anywhere, but first, it's your chance, take my hand, come with me. It's like I waited my whole life for this one night. It's gonna be me, you, and the dance.
Happy birthday, ate. Sana mas madami ka pang birthday at sana maging healthy ka palagi. At sana ilibre mo naman ako ng Odyssey.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Angel. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. May this chapter bring you happiness, success, and all the blessings you deserve. Keep shining and chasing your dreams. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Look what I can do with my feet, baby. Feel the beat inside. I'm driving, you can take the front seat. Just need you.
Hello, Angel. Happy birthday. I just want to wish you all the good things in life, especially those dreams that you want to pursue. I wish you could achieve them in the future. Never stop your hunger for learning. Always stay curious. Always ask questions. Everything in life, you could learn new things every day. Never doubt your potential. And we're always here for you to support you in everything.
It's a long way down. It's so high up the
different from before, but know that I'm still rooting for you and I'm still here for you. I love you.
That matters, you love me, and I won't let you fall, girl.
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na if kailangan mo ng makakausap, makasamang tumawa, manood ng kung ano-ano, nandito lang ako, palagi. Love na love kita.
Happy birthday, ate. Wishing you lots of happiness, good health, and success. May all your dreams come true. Have an amazing day and enjoy your celebration. Happy birthday.
To my favorite daughter, so ulit, happy birthday. Tandaan mo lang, any problem, kahit anong tagumpay man o hindi, tandaan mo, andito si Daddy. I'll always be your dad. Love you.